When you're trying to let loose and really have some fun, none of us want to get bogged down by having to pull out the credit card every time you want a cocktail or burger. If you just want the relaxing vibe of a vacation while limiting stress, then you need an all-inclusive resort that suits your needs. Singles and couples alike can benefit from the all-you-can-eat packages, all-you-can-drink perks, and even get to do it in a child-free environment. This is the Traveler's Post. Today, we'll be looking at 10 of the top all-inclusive party resorts across the world. These places not only have it all, but they provide you with a good time in the process. Whether you're looking to party poolside or relax on sunny beaches, there's bound to be something for everyone. So make sure you've got your bags packed, subscribe to the channel, and let's dive in. Number 10. The Caves, Jamaica. If you're looking for an intimate, romantic experience, then the Caves in Jamaica has got you covered. In Negril, this resort offers a unique, individually decorated cottage for each guest and suites alongside dramatic cliffs. There might not be a beach at this resort. Still, there are plenty of opportunities to swim along the cliffs or get into cliff jumping sessions that are all too popular for guests. This all-inclusive adults-only package covers top-shelf liquor as well as high-quality, locally focused cuisine. Guests are each welcomed with a cocktail, with daily rotating signature drinks. Travelers can splurge and indulge in some of Jamaica's best all-inclusive liquor selections. Number 9. Hyatt Zilara, Cancun. This 307-room, adults-only, all-inclusive luxury hotel is located in Cancun's Hotel Zone. It stands out among the many all-inclusive resorts in the area with 6 stellar restaurants, unlimited top-shelf wine and liquor, and 24-hour room service. Each room has luxurious jetted tubs, complimentary minibars, and private terraces, each with ocean views. Resort features include an outdoor infinity pool, white sand beach, gorgeous pool and spa, and a host of daytime and evening entertainment. And don't worry, there's never a shortage of things to do in Cancun. Number 8. Couples Tower Isle, Jamaica. As one of Jamaica's first resorts, the Couple Tower Isle is an upscale, all-inclusive resort, once a 1950s Hollywood hotspot. This 226-room property remains a popular option today, thanks to its adults-only policy, an array of indoor and outdoor features, and extensive all-inclusive package. At your rates, you'll have covered 24-hour dining, personalized complimentary minibars, and unlimited premium liquor. The all-natural island is just a quick boat ride away for those looking to relax in a unique way. There are more couples features and packages at the Couples Tower Isle and a focus on outdoor spaces. Number 7. Royal Hideaway Playa Car, Playa del Carmen. In the little resort community of Playa Car, south of Playa del Carmen, you'll find a stunning beachfront, a plethora of features, and a quality all-inclusive package for adults at the Royal Hideaway. All rates include meals at their 6 specialty restaurants, premium brand drinks across multiple bars, and tons of facilities with full access. The facilities include 6 pools, tennis courts, and exciting nightlife. With 200 rooms, some of the views features the picturesque crystal blue oceans. Number 6. Iberostar Grand Rose Hall, Jamaica. As one of the 3 best Iberostar resorts in Montego Bay, this resort offers an upscale design, quality dining, as well as plenty of high-class amenities and features. Your all-inclusive package offers premium brand liquor, all of your meals, exclusive butler service, and 24-hour room service. Guests say that the drinks are strong and there are plenty of bars to choose from, including a swim-up bar. Come in expecting a welcome cocktail, quality spa, infinity pool that overlooks the ocean, and a gorgeous beach lined with quality loungers. How much better can it get? Number 5. Club Med Turquoise, Turks and Caicos. Known best for its lively atmosphere, mixing singles, and some of the best island parties on Turks and Caicos, Club Med is a hit for adults of all ages. This all-inclusive, adults-only property is expansive, with a Swedish ocean view infinity pool, a modern outdoor bar, and live entertainment on-site nightly. Not only that, but you're also privy to the resort's various water and land activities. If you're not partying, you might as well take advantage of the excitement the islands have to offer, right? Number 4. Galley Bay Resort and Spa, Antigua. With 53 acres of private area, this all-inclusive is a boutique beachfront property with 98 rooms. It might not be the fanciest property in all of Antigua. Still, the simple Caribbean style, relaxed atmosphere, and gorgeous beach draw its adults-only crowd without issue year after year. The all-inclusive package is stellar, which definitely helps. In it, you get access to food better than the average far across the island, as well as all alcoholic beverages at a selection of bars and a coffee shop. You're also getting water sports like kayaking and snorkeling, nightly live music, and a fitness center and spa at your disposal. Number 3. Punta Cana Princess All-Suite Resort and Spa, Dominican Republic. Daybeds are available with butler drink and service on the Dominican Republic's famous Bavaro Beach. This upscale all-inclusive has a party vibe for those coming for its buzzy afternoon pool scene, lobby entertainment, and 24-hour beach bar. The 24-hour package covers a buffet and a la carte restaurants, 3 bars, and daily refreshed minibars for each guest. While on the site, amenities might be a little limited. Guests also get access to the facilities at sister hotels in the area. Number 2. Komandu Maldives Island Resort, Maldives. This breathtaking romantic getaway is one of the more affordable resorts in the area, among sky-high rates. However, you're still getting tremendous value with the affordable packages. This all-inclusive package includes 3 meals a day, a snack menu, the can-do bar, unlimited alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages, and in-room minibars that are restocked daily. The resort is small and sophisticated, with only 65 rooms. The highlights include a beachfront infinity pool, an on-site reef for snorkeling, live entertainment, and a full-service spa. Number 1. Palladium Hotel Palmyra, Ibiza. This 160-room upper-middle range all-inclusive puts you on the beautiful beaches, but within walking distance of Ibiza's St. Anthony's nightlife. Features might not be extensive, but you do get beachfront loungers, a pleasant ocean view pool, and all of your meals covered at the buffet eatery. There are even theme nights to keep things spicy. The vibe is relaxed, so you can truly get down in Ibiza. An excellent place for adults to truly let loose and get the most out of the experience. If you're going on an island getaway but are looking for something exclusive, exciting where you can just let loose, no matter where you decide to go in the world, you shouldn't be expected to balance everything at once. Picking an all-inclusive resort that caters to your needs while still providing an exciting edge and fun nightlife can be precisely what you need. With these resorts, you can have it all while still simplifying the process with all-in-one pricing. Are you in the market for a grand getaway? Have you ever been to any of the locations we talked about today? If so, let us know in the comments below because we'd love to hear your perspective on them. Or let us know if you have a suggestion that we might have missed. If you like this video, make sure to watch our video on the best all-inclusive resorts in Cancun. They are truly amazing resorts as well for your next dream vacation. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe to the channel with post notifications turned on for more just like this. That's gonna be it for today. This has been the Traveler's Post, and we'll see you next time on your next big adventure.